which particular ayats or surahs can be recited to cure illnesses, and how do you find tranquility and peace in your heart? The answer to this question is that to find peace in your heart and tranquility, you must recite the Quran. And it doesn't matter what ayah you recite, every single ayah in the Quran is a source of healing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَنَنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. So we know the Quran is a shifa. Shifa means a healing. So the Quran is used to heal physical illnesses. This is why if someone is sick physically, the Quran can be recited on them and they can recite the Quran themselves. Similarly, if the person is struggling with spiritual illnesses or other types of illnesses, they can always recite the Quran and do ruqyah, and this will benefit them and help them. There are no particular verses you should recite. You recite any portion of the Quran with the intention of finding healing, and inshallah ta'ala Allah will heal your illnesses. As for finding peace and tranquility, you find this with the Quran and with the dhikr of Allah. Allah says in the Quran, أَلَا بِذِكْرِ اللَّهِ تَطْمَئِنُّ الْقُلُوبِ. Indeed, with the remembrance of Allah do hearts find tranquility. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give you tranquility and peace in your heart and cure you from all of your illnesses.